Hi, have you ever heard about those myths that goes like trimming makes your hair grow faster or plucking one gray hair will cause more to grow back? Well, today I am going to tell you an amazing step-by-step hair care routine that actually works. Believe me, and busting some of the most popular hair myths that are all over the internet. So, trust me, you're going to be amazed. You're going to be surprised. I'm going to break down a solid affordable hair care routine, but first I wanted to watch you my previous video because that's important to clear out confusions about which product to use for which hair problem. And let's come back to the topic. Step number 1. Cleansing. If you wash your hair often, look for a sulfate-free shampoo. I have discussed all the products in my previous video, so I recommend you to watch that first so that you come to know about the products, oils for different hair problems, and I've also shared and revealed my magical hair oil and toner, so must watch it. Coming back to our topic, step number 2, conditioning. Conditioner is your best friend. For soft, manageable hair, apply it from the mid-length to the end and every time you shampoo. And here's a very important step. Once a week, go for deep conditioning treatment like mask. Look for ingredients like keratin, argan oil, shea butter. They're super nourishing and affordable. You can find them anywhere. Now, step number 3, protect after conditioning. It's all about moisture and protection. A leave-in conditioner detangles and gives your hair that extra moisture it craves. And if your hair is dry at the ends, a lightweight serum or oil will also keep it smooth and shiny. So, after that, step number 4, styling wisely. Always, and I mean always, use a heat protectant before using hot tools, like before straightening or curling your hair. Try to limit the heat styling or keep the settings low. Your hair will thank you. Now, step number 5, nourishment from within. And let's not forget, girlies, let's not forget, beauty comes from within, too. So, nutrients like iron, zinc, vitamin B and D, and omegas are crucial for your hair and for their growth. Keep a balanced diet and stay hydrated. You can also take supplements, but consult your doctor first. They also help. Now, let's talk about some of the hair myths that are everywhere. These might surprise you. Now, myth number 1, which I've also into, that frequent trimming makes your hair grow faster. Okay, here's the truth. Trimming your hair doesn't actually make it grow faster. It does not. Growth happens at the roots, not the ends. But trimming does prevent split ends, so your hair looks healthier. Now, myth number 2. Oiling the scalp promotes faster hair growth. Oiling is great for moisture and nourishment, but it won't magically speed up growth. Massaging your scalp while oiling, though, does improve your blood circulation and your blood flow, which could support growth over time. And some of the ingredients in oil boost your hair growth. It happens, yes. Now, myth number 3, switching shampoos regularly is necessary. Nope. You don't need to switch shampoos unless you're noticing a change in your hair condition or your scalp. If it works for you, stick with it. You don't have to change it. Now, myth number 4. Plucking one gray hair leads to more gray hair. And this one, it's totally false. Each follicle only produces one strand of hair, so plucking won't affect others. But it can damage the follicle, so it's best to leave the grays alone. Now, myth number 5. Air drying is always healthier than blow drying. Air drying can actually be rough on very curly or thick hair, so I'm not going to recommend that. Now, sometimes it can lead to frizz. Blow drying on low heat setting with a heat protectant can give you a smooth look without the damage. Alright, let's wrap up our ultimate hair care routine and myth busting session. Which of these myths might surprise you the most? Let me know in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on our tips and tricks, on more tips and tricks. So, for healthy and gorgeous hair. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!